Dear participants, a warm welcome to all of you. We are excited to have you join the Robothrone 2.0. This is a 7-day free web development course. Over the next 7 days, you will learn the fundamentals of modern web development through interactive sessions and hands-on practice. We hope this journey inspires you to explore, create, and build amazing websites. Stay curious, participate actively, and make the most of this learning opportunity. Happy learning and welcome to Robothrone 2.0 again. Let's move on to our web development session. So, session 1, and this is the day 1, that is we are going to uh, read about what is structure, tags, headings, and links. So first of all, what is a web development? Web development is a art and science of building and maintaining the website and web applications. Everything from creating a simple static page to complex web applications like social networks and an e-commerce platforms. The web runs on three core technologies, like first one is your HTML, that is the structure part or the front end side, then CSS to design the web page, and the JavaScript to interactive with the web page. Then web development can broadly categorize into two main areas, like first one is your front development, second one is your backend development. Front end is nothing but what users see and interact with the browser. Okay. What is background development? This is the server, this is the main part, and it will also comes under database and application logics that powers everything behind the scene. Okay, we can see the backend development structure. Why to learn web development? In every business, organization, and individual needs a web presence or a website to present themselves in this digital age. Okay, the development skills are among the most demand technically skills right now in globally. You can build anything from personal blogs to full scale business applications also. It is an excellent entry point into the world of software engineering. Then this is the technology, and the technology are broadly categorized into three parts, like HTML, CSS, then JavaScript. Okay, the HTML, the role of the HTML is to structure and content the web page. The role of CSS is for styling and the layout structure of the website. JavaScript, this is the main logic and uh, interactive the user to the website. Then the main part is file extension, like HTML has a file extension .html, then CSS has .css, and JavaScript has .js. We can create these files later on. Then introduction to HTML. HTML is nothing but it stands for hypertext markup language. It is a standard language for creating a web page. It is created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Okay. Uh, right now, the latest version of HTML is HTML5. This is not a programming language, it is a markup language. This means it uses a tag or something to annotate and structure the contents inside a web page. A HTML is the skeleton or blueprint of the building. It defines where the walls, doors, and the windows go, but not how they look. That is the job of a CSS. Then, tools you need: a text editor. You can use Visual Studio Code, a most popular free editor. You can download it from visualstudio.com. A web browser, like I am here using Google Chrome. This is a recommended because Google is a powerful web browser, and it has a developer tools also. To develop, there is no requirement of internet connection. You can develop it solely. If you want, then you can use live server. It automatically refresh the browser every time you save your HTML file. uh, First, next move on to download a editor. First, you can use Notepad plus plus. This is a simple editor you can download from here. I have already downloaded Notepad plus plus. You have to open this. Okay. Main part is the document structure. Okay. The doc type declaration is nothing but the HTML5 document must be doc type declaration. This tells the browser that this document is written in HTML5 and it is a modern web page structure. Without it, browser might render the page in quick mode, like cause unpredictable display or behavior. You have to use doc type declaration as HTML5. This is the boilerplate, like this is the skeleton plate of a doc type declaration. Like here is the first line to declare the doc type. This is a uh, skeleton type boilerplate. Below is the complete HTML5 boilerplate. You can copy this and go to your uh, editor, then paste it. Okay, you can style this like HTML, then head part, we will discuss it later, meta part, then meta count, then title, then head section, then this is a paragraph, this is a body, and this is the end of HTML. You can arrange this like we will discuss later what are these. Okay, this is a complete web structure. If you save it, this is the save button in Notepad plus plus. You can save it directly from this. It will ask you where to save the web page structure. Like I have a I will save this inside 7-day web course, then make a new folder. Name of the folder is demo and the name of the file is template. Then Just you have to choose most important part. You have to write the file name as template, then click on save as type and search for this one, a hypertext markup language file. Okay, it will save template.html format. Click on save, it will save the doc type. You will go to your desired path, like I am saving 7-day web development course, and this is the template part. Okay, double click it, it will show you hello world, this is my first web page. Like this is the body part, and we will discuss it later. What are those? Like h1 is the tags, p for paragraph, body tags, and all those elements. We are writing here hello world, and this gives the output as hello world, and we are enclosed it within the h1 tag. That's why it is looking like bold category, and this is the paragraph part. This is my first web page. Okay, you can change it. Techyguide, then save it by pressing this button and move on to your web page. Just refresh this, it will change the heading part to Techyguide. Next, move on to explanation. The first line of the declaration is it is a HTML5 type document, and uh, is this required? Yes, it is required while building your first web page. HTML language equals to en. It is the root element, and we are describing the language as English. So is it required? Yes, it is required. Second, the head section. It contains metadata like title of the web page, characters, styles, tips. Is this required? Yes, this is the most important and it is required. Metadata character equal to UTF-8. This is the encoding part to support all languages. So we have to use this line also. Meta name viewport. Viewport is nothing but it enables responsive design on mobile devices. Then title, it sets the browser tab title. Body part contains all the visible content of the page, like here we are writing meta charset equal to UTF-8, meta name viewport, then title is my first web page. Okay, you will see it over here. This is my first web page. If we change it to demo and save it, just go to your web browser and refresh this, it will also change to demo. Then next move on to a warning message, like never forget to closing tags. These are all tags, like here HTML is a tag. We can write like HTML and we have to close it. The closing HTML tag is for a forward slash HTML. This is the opening HTML tag and this is the closing HTML tag. Just enter it and write the first line as HTML, language as English. Then move on to head part. Copy it, then paste it. This is the head part. We have to close it. So we can write forward slash head, then enter it. Then we have to write this metadata. Change it the title to first web page, then nothing else. Then go to body part. After head part, you have to write body, then closing body tag, enter it. You can write anything over here, like this is a h1 tag and this is a paragraph. But if I write simply like Techyguide and delete this part and save it, control S, save it, and just refresh the browser, it will only print a simple text like Techyguide. We have to close it with h1 tag. It is the header one, h1, and just save it. Move on to browser tab and click refresh button. This will represent as h1 tag or heading part. If we want to place a paragraph, then just simply write p tag, then write this is the first web page and close the paragraph by forward slash p and bracket. Then save it, save it, go to your web page and refresh the button. This is the first web page. Then next move on to HTML tags. Like HTML tags are special keywords surrounded by angle brackets, as you have already seen, that tells the browser how to interpret and display contents. Most HTML come in pairs, like this is the paragraph opening paragraph tag, then this is the closing paragraph tag. This is a strong tag and ending strong tag. EM represent the italic. If we want a italic sentence, then we can use EM tag. Like if we want to use the italic version of this is a first web page, then simply put EM over here, then this is a paragraph, then just put the closing EM tag. Save it through this button and go to web page, refresh this. It will give you the italic version of the text. Then what is a strong? Strong is nothing but it will give the uh, bold type texture, like copy it, then Techyguide, Control V. Then this is the second closing tag of strong element. So save it, go to your browser and refresh the page. Okay, it will comes inside the heading part. You can remove the h1 also. Control S, save the page and refresh the page. Okay, if I will delete the h1 tag, it will simply become a text paste. There are so many h1 tags also there, from h1 to h6. We will discuss it later. Then next, move on to self-closing void tags. These below tags have no close tags. Like we can use BR for insert a line break, then HR for horizontal rule, image for embeds an image to the HTML document, input creates an input field inside a HTML page. Like just move on to how to use BR tag. Just move on to this page and simply create another paragraph element, name it or something else. This is the first web page and I am building it carefully. Then we have to close the opening paragraph also. So we have to close the closing T tag. Control S, simply save it, go to your web browser, then refresh this here, and I am building it carefully. So if I want and I am, after that I want a another line, then I can put BR tag over here. So save it and just refresh. It will break the sentence or create a new line to the single line. Next, move on to HR tag. This is the horizontal line break for right now. See here, these all are a paragraph, but after I am I am using a HR tag, and then I will write building it carefully. So it will divide or generate a horizontal line between and I am and building it carefully. Then use the image tag. Image tags are nothing but it is a process to attach an image inside your HTML document. Like simply I can write img for image, then inside this we have to give the source file path of the image file, like src. This is the normal syntax. Src equal to, within double quote you have to put your uh, file path, like I have a picture inside this. This is a picture and I have to put this picture inside my web page. Then simply I will copy the path, properties, copy it. Then inside src you have to put this and a backward slash and the file name is voice esp32 and the file extension is png. So I have to paste it and simply write png over here. Then simply save it, go to your browser and refresh this. You can see the diagram or image just you have placed over here. Like if you are placing another image, copy it, then paste it, go to your image folder, then go to the properties and simply copy this file path and paste it, and name of the file is Techy capture 3. Paste it. The extension of the file is png type. This is okay, png. Save it and go and refresh the web page. You will see the second one also. Okay. Okay, next move on to input element. It creates an input field or input type inside the web page. Like I will delete these two images from this, and I will also delete all this. I have to put just save it and go to your browser, refresh the web page. It will show nothing because the body has nothing. So we have to create an input tag. Then you have to place the type equal to text. So inside input you can give a space over here and specify type equal to, within the double quote mark you can write text. Control S, save it and go to your browser, refresh the web page. It will show you a input field inside the browser. You can input anything over here. Okay, you can put label also, like create a paragraph p, then name like this, or you can directly name and a, you can put like this or write like this. Just save it, go to your web page and refresh this. It will show you the name equal to this one, Techyguide. Next move on to our b or strong element. It creates a bold text, like I have to name as a bold part. So what I can do, just simply go to your file, then put b before name and closing the b after name. Just save it. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Go to your editor and put first b tag over before the name and closing b tag after the name. It will create name as a bold manner. Like I have already saved it. Go to your web page and refresh the page. It will give the name as bold part. Go to I tag or em tag. It is used for italic text. If I want italic, then simply I will use I. Just go to your editor, simply place I tag before B and after closing B tag, put a closing I tag and save it. Go to your browser, refresh it. It will turn the name into italic one. Then what is U? It will create underline text. Just simply go to the editor. You can put U as a opening tag and you have to close it like a forward slash U and a bracket. Save it. Go to your browser, refresh it. It will underline the name. Then what is mark? It is a highlighted text, a yellow highlighted text like name is this one and put a p tag or paragraph tag and write please input your name and close the paragraph tag. I have to highlight it, so I will use mark tag over here and I have to close the mark tag. Just save this and go to your browser, refresh this. Sorry, I have to remove this, save it and it will mark please input your name as a highlighted part inside the web page. Then small, it will create smaller text and bracket closing small tag, then the bracket. Just save it and go to browser, refresh this. It will create the smaller text element inside the web page. Just go to till. It is a strike through text and sub is the superscript, sup is the superscript like x square and subscript like h2o. Just go to the browser, delete it and for delete strike through, I can write my name first. That is, I will write with p tag, starting from the p tag, and I will write my name. Then I will close the p tag. If I put the d- uh, del del tag, then it will strike through the dipti one. Like, first save this and go to your browser, refresh this. It will show you dipti one as a text or paragraph. If I have to strike this, then I will put del tag over it from the first of the p tag, and after closing p tag you have to close the del tag also. Then simply save it and go to the browser, refresh it. It will strike the dipti1 as a dipti1 element. Then you can use subscript and superscript. How to do this? Just delete it. For subscript, first you have to write sub, then subscript H2O. 2 is the subscript part, part. That's why I can directly write H over here. Then between sub tag, I can write 2. Then close the sub tag over here and write here H2O. It will give me, like, whenever I save it and go to my browser, refresh it, it will give the H2O to as subscript. If I delete this sub tag, then it will give me the simple H2O. Like, I will save it and go to my browser and refresh it. It will give me like this format. Okay. For superscript, I will use the tag sup, then 2 is my square element, and I will close the tag, simply put s. It will print me a square. Go to browser, refresh it. It will print me as a square. Then formatting. Next, move on to formatting. Like, just simply copy it, go to the editor file and paste it. Here a paragraph is here, and water is written as H is the first element, 2 is the subscript. So I have to enclose this inside a sub tag. Then I will simply go over here, just save it and go to your browser, refresh it. It will show water is written as S2. Then copy it, copy all this and go to your editor, just simply overwritten this. Here are 4 lines, like S2O is a superscript and Einstein's formula is E equal to mc square. Then mark is text highlighted and deleted is text is deleted. Just save it, go to browser and refresh this page. You can see Water is written as H2O. Einstein's formula E equal to mc square. Text is highlighted and this text is deleted. Okay. Then next move on to heading part. As I have already told, H1 there are 6 heading tags inside HTML5 5 document. So just uh, take an example, my travel blog. Copy it, then simply delete all the files, then paste it. I have to create the heading, so I can simply first write h1 tag, then close the h1 tag, save it and go to web browser, refresh it. This is a heading part of the document inside a web page. Then if I change it to h2, I will also change the closing tag to h2. Just save it, refresh it. Oh, sorry, h2, save it and refresh the browser. It will give me the second type of heading. Then if you use h3 as heading and save it, go to refresh the browser, it will give the small heading part inside the browser. If I use h4 as my heading tag, save it, go to browser and refresh it, it will give more smaller headings. Then if I will use 5, it will give me another smaller but heading part. If I will use h6 as a heading part, save it, then refresh the browser, it will give a smaller one inside the heading elements. Okay, simply I will copy this, I will put h4 h5, simply change 1 and I have to close the 1 tag, then 2 I have to change also 2 tag, then use the 3, I have to close 3. If I will use h4, then I will close the h4. If I will use h5, then I have to close h5. I will write h1 to h6 and simply save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. You will simply see all the heading parts, like this is the h1, this is the h2, this is the h3, this is the h4, this is the h5, and this is the h6 heading tags. You can use any of these according to your document creation inside a web page. Next, move on to warning. Never skip heading level. Don't jump from h1 to h4. Always go in order, like h1, h2, h3 and h4. Then next move on to hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are nothing but it will connect or navigate between pages or website, or you can use any kind of different sections inside the web page. Like this is a simple hyperlink. I will copy it. Just go to your code editor and paste it. The syntax is you have to use a tag, then href is the source file where to navigate from this a tag, that is called https www.google.com, and inside a tag you have to write the markdown or some text. Like how to write this? Simply create a tag first and close the a tag, then give a space after a, then href is equal to double quote, simply copy it and paste it, then visit uh, Twitter. So I have to change the web address of Twitter. So I can write Twitter over here and the extension is .com. Simply save it, go to your web page and refresh it. This is called visit Google, and this hyperlink is for visit Twitter. If I want visit Twitter in second line, then simply go to this part, and after closing tag of a, you can simply write br, it is a line breaker, save it and go to your web page, refresh it. Okay, then if I will click or if you want some space, then you can use multiple of br tag, copy it, paste it, then paste it, save it, then go to web page, refresh the web page, you will see the space. And if you click visit Google, it will simply take you to the Google website page. Then if you click visit Twitter, then it will go to Twitter page. Okay, these are the hyperlinks. Okay, if I click on it, it will redirect the Google to the same uh, web page. If I want if I click a hyperlink, it will create another tab, then you have to use target is blank. Okay, copy it, all are same, go to note editor and simply paste it. You have to tell the browser I have to visit google.com, but my target is a blank, or if you want a next tab, then save it, go to browser, then refresh it. If I click on it, it will create another browser tab. Like visit Google, it will create another browser tab. Next, link to another page in the same project folder. If I have above.html another web page, then I will simply use this. Okay, just create another web page inside the folder. You can simply go to demo. I have only a template page. I have to create another web page and name it as help. Just double click it. Here you can click on file, then save as txt. No, you have to choose all files, then help.html and save it. It will create a html help web page, delete it. The so inside my project directory I have two web pages. One is template and another one is help. So how to redirect it? By using this ef is equal to about.html. Like here I have help.html. I have to write href equal to help.html and just simply save it. Go to your web browser, then refresh it. We can change it. Visit help page. Okay, then save it. Go to web browser, refresh it, visit help page. If I will click on it, it will create another tab because I am using the target blank option here. Refresh it. Okay, is I have nothing in my help.html, so I will see nothing over here. If I will format it, then I will see all the web web page contents. Then you can mail also, like send mails, and you can use the phone also by using the anchor tags. href, what is the href? Specify the url path. Okay, then target creates where to open the document, like underscore blank is in new tab, dot self is opened within the same tab. What is title? This is the click to visit Google, or this one is the tooltip for the text. Then download prompts, download instead navigate, like we can go this part. Okay, just copy all this and paste inside body. This one is the navigation. Just enter to create a new line, and this one is the second part, and press enter, press and enter. Okay, just save it. Here inside body we will write, we have already write navigation links at the top, like a href section 1, go to section 1, go to section 2. Here a h2 tag is there, and with a id section 1, this is called section 1, and content for section 1, and we will use h2, and with the id section 2, this is the tooltip, and this is the content for section 2. Just save it, refresh your browser, you will see this type of structure. Like go to section 1, it will go to the section 1 section, and if I will click on section 2, it will automatically uh, redirect me to the section 2 part. Like if I will use section 1 the add tag, I have to use copy paste paste. For example, I am using a lots of space between section 1 and section 2. Just save it. go to the web browser and refresh it. As you can see, section 1 is over here and section 2 is over here. So if I will click section 1, it will go to section 1. Then if I will click on section 2, it will go to section 2 part. Then next is your you have a exercise. Create a web page with navigation menu at the top of the link to three different sections in the same page using internal bookmarks like hashtag. Each section hashtag is over here. This is the hashtag or section part. Section should have a heading and at least two paragraphs of text, like you have a one paragraph of text inside section 1, you have to create two paragraph inside section 1 and two paragraph inside section 2. The section 1 summary and your homework should be what we learned today. Web development uses three kind of main things like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Provides a structure and wrapped inside a angle bracket and is called as tags. And every HTML file must have document type, HTML, head part and a body tag elements. Headings from H1 to H6. H1 is the larger one, H6 is the smaller one headings. The anchor tag, it will redirect the or create hyperlinks to go to other pages or websites or any sections inside the given web page. Void tags like dr, hr and image have no closing tags, like dr used for line or new line, hr used for highlighted line, then image is for add an image into the document. This is the homework. I will pin it to the pin this to the chat section of the Google Meet. You can go and copy this homework section and create it. The homework should be complete a HTML page called my school underscore HTML that includes a proper HTML5 boilerplate. Second, a main heading with the school name. Main heading means you have to use H1. At least three sections using H2 tags, that is about, course, contact. Then multiple paragraphs of the text, at least two external links by using anchor tags, then internal bookmark navigation with the help of a hashtag. Okay, just next go to the session 2. This is the same as session 1. Create a personal web page. I have already attached this to the these two sections, like section 1 and section 2, the Google Meet chat section. You will download it from there. Project overview. Then setting up the project. Folder structure should be my personal web page, index.html and images. Images have profile.jpg, then background.jpg, a style.css. We will discuss it. Okay, just create it. For section 2, we have to create a folder named as my personal web page. Just copy it, go to your project folder. Like I have a project folder name as demo. I will go to 7 days web course, then create a new folder and name it as my personal web page. Like this is the structure, my personal web page. Inside this I have to create a index.html. So double click it and go to your go to inside the my personal web page section, and you can navigate through the editor also. Just delete all this, and I have to create another folder like images and a style.css. So we can open this by clicking the file, and we have to click on open. Just go to the my personal web section, just open it. Sorry, I have to open the folder Edge Workspace 7 day my personal, and select. I have to copy it. Just select all and copy it. Go to open folder Edge Workspace. Go to 7 day web page, my personal web page. Then select the folder. This is the template one. I have to save the file. Save it. Then create another file inside this directory, like my personal web page. You have to create another folder like this, and images and a css style.css. So go to folder, rename it as images, and you can create another file. Like you have to paste the boiler template like this, and whenever you save it or file save as in not inside demo, you have to go to my personal web page and choose hypertext markup language, and name of the file is index.html. Then no need to write index.html, just simply write index and choose the file type as hypertext markup language. It will say index.html. Then save it, go to file, you will see index.html. As index.html has only a title part, that is my first web page, whenever you click on it, it will only show the first web page and nothing. So go to PDF part, and you have to put two images inside images folder. One is profile.jpg, second one is background.jpg. Okay, the file name is index.html is special. Why we are using index.html? The web server automatically look for this file name as the home page. If we will write index.html. After visiting a web server, it will directly first open the index.html first, then move on to next. Just copy this. This is the HTML boilerplate. Go to editor section and paste it. You have to arrange this, add HTML, add the tag, then enter title, then add, then body, close the body, close the HTML tag. This is the spoiler template for the index.html. Save it, then visit the web page and refresh it. Okay, this is Satyajit Naik. We can change it to Techyguide personal web page and save it. The title will change to Techyguide.personal web page. Building the navigation bar. What is the navigation bar? Navigation bars are nothing but inside a web page we can navigate to different sections, like just copy it and go to this, and inside body you can paste it. You will use the nav tag as navigation. Okay, yes, this is the complete structure, and save it. In this navigation menu, we will use a anchor tag, and the anchor tag is nothing but a about, then education, skills, hobbies, and contact. Just go to web page and refresh. You will see this is the HR tag, and these are the anchor tags. Okay, about me, education, skills, hobbies, contact. Then step 3, profile and about section. This is the hero section of your web page. The first thing visitors see, like if I will land upon index.html, it will see like this first. Then we will use the image. Just copy all this section, copy it, go to editor. After navbar or HR tag, just paste the copied code and rearrange the files. Section 1, guide, then a image, photo of Techyguide, width up to 200, a paragraph, another paragraph, then close the section. Okay, this is the complete step 3 procedure. Save it. Here you have to change inside images directory. There is nothing. You have to paste a profile.jpg and I will download it. Techyguide. Go to image and just download this. Simply click on it and save images. D. I am using 7-day development. Then this is PG logo. You can simply rename the file profile.png image. Save it. Navigate to the folder. That way, okay, where I placed it inside K. I have save it as visit immediate K. Then 7 days web course. My personal web images. Then rename it profile.png. Save it. It will save automatically inside my personal web page images. Okay, then next go to the code section. Okay, just save it. Here we are using a navigation section and another section that have a h1 tag of Techyguide, a image which is placed under images, and name of the image is profile.jpg, but we have already downloaded. This is not a jpg file, it is a png file, so I have to delete the jpg and we will write png over here. If this will not present inside the folder, then it will use alternate, that is profile photo of Techyguide, and a p tag. Hello, and this is the p tag, and this one is the another p tag, and this one another third one p tag. Just save it, navigate to the browser, and this is the file, or you can simply navigate to folder my personal web page and click on index.html. Okay, here is the navigation pane, about me, education, skills, hobbies and contact. This is the h1 tag, that is Techyguide. This one is the profile pic. This one is your first paragraph elements. This one is your second paragraph element. This one is your third paragraph element. Go to code part. Okay, a warning is there, that is always you include a alt tag, like I have profile.png, but instead of png or a file is missing like jpg and save it, it will show me the this part instead of a profile.jpg. Refresh it. So the image is png type, the image is a png type, and the name of the file is image file is profile, but inside my code I am writing profile.jpg. So the source have no profile.jpg file. That's why it is showing the profile photo of Techyguide. Instead of alternating, uh, it will show me the profile.jpg. Just go to this and rename it to png, save it, go to the web browser and refresh it. It will show you the profile image file. Next, education, skills, hobbies section. Now we add the detailed content inside the section. Like section ID is education and the heading is, I am using here H2 like education, and OL and LI are the order list and lists. Like if I will copy this is the education section. Okay, copy it, and this is the about section. Just make a new line and paste it. Section ID is education, H2 is education, ordered list, then after order list you can put list over here, then closing list tag. This is the first opening list and this is the closing list. Just enter for new line, enter for new line. This is the closing section. You have to put like this. We have pasted this much of contents. Section ID is education, S2 is education, and ordered list, and inside the list we have this basic contents. Save it and go to web page section, refresh it. Here is the education and the list are these three contents. Okay, if I click on education, it will go to the education section. Over here about me, then go to skills section, section ID is skill, copy it. After education section you have to create a new line and paste it, and just rearrange all this. Section well, these are the list objects and this is the UL. This one is your next skills ID section. Okay, it has a H2 tag of technical skills and unordered list of HTML5 and CSS3, JavaScript Basics, Python programming, Git and GitHub problem solving. Okay, I have to bring it down. Just save it and go to your web page, refresh the browser. It will show you the another section, that is technical skills, and unordered should be this type. Order gives the 1 to 3, unordered gives you the bullet point. Next, go to hobbies section. copy it, create another section, paste it, and rearrange the contents. Like this is the first opening tag, this is the closing tag, and I have to put the p tag to the below of h2 tag, and I will close this section. Okay, this section has a h2 of hobbies and interests, a p paragraph contents, and I have a close section part. Just save it, go to web browser and refresh. It will show you the hobbies and interests. Go to the contact section and footer part. Copy it and paste after about, or you can delete this, or you can move this. First rearrange this. This is the p, this another p, third one, the fourth one, okay. As for the navigation, I have about me in the first, so I have to move the about me section, cut it from this, and paste after navigation. Okay, first navigation should be about, then education, then skills, then hobbies, then contact section. Inside contact section, I have a h2, that is contact me, a p element, email is this one, and this is the closing p, and another paragraph of GitHub. This is the anchor tag, and this is the LinkedIn, and I will arrange it like this. I will use a HR. After below of the web page, I will use footer part. It will place in the bottom of the web page. That is, footer has a p element and a small copy. This will give the ampersand copy sign. Just save it, go to the web page and refresh the page. This is the complete web structure of session 2. Like I have about me, education, skills, hobbies, contact. Okay, this is the profile image, this is the education section, this is the technical skills section, this is the hobby section, and this is the contact me, and this is the footer part of the web page. You can build like this. You have to write the codes into this format type. You will have to mention the doc type for the beginning of the element. You can put the language as English, then head, which have the metadata, a title part, then the body tag. Okay, this will give the enter entire website. Just so your homework should be this one. Create a HTML page called as myschools.html that includes these all contents. I hope this likes you. Thank you. Have a good day.